Hi everyone, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not, thank you for dropping back in. In this video, we are talking cryptocurrency today. We are talking about what is happening in the NFT space. We are also talking about the $900 million in open interest in the options in the Bitcoin market, guys. What is happening with that? Let's get into it. Hey guys, please don't forget, if you like this content and you want to see more videos on cryptocurrency, please don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe, guys. It is absolutely free. Let's get into it. Having a look at the market today, most of the altcoins are in the dark green today. Bitcoin is in the green today. We have Bitcoin at 36,810, Ethereum at 2,600, and most of the altcoins are in the dark double-digit green, guys. Looks like we are definitely starting the next wave, but who knows? We could spread tomorrow. You know, this is all part of the buying the dip mentality, and obviously a lot of people thinking it is a great time to jump in. Let's get into it. Alrighty, BitMEX and Human Rights Foundation provide a $150,000 grant to Bitcoin scaling researcher. BitMEX has collaborated with non-profit Human Rights Foundation to provide a $150,000 grant to Korean-based Bitcoin scaling researcher Calvin Kim. Popular crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX has announced a $150,000 grant for Calvin Kim, a Korean-based Bitcoin scaling researcher. The grant comprises the second instant in which BitMEX has backed Kim's research, with the exchange donating $30,000 to Kim in August. For his current research, Kim plans to implement Utreexo into Bitcoin developments using the Go and Rust program language, respectively. Will also work on improving the initial block download time. You know, this is great. You know, big companies getting behind the little guy to overall improve the research, guys. You know, I reckon this is overall great for the market in general. Let's get into it. Righty, community members integrate play-to-earn features into Dark Forest game. Players can now earn DAI by broadcasting planet locations in the space strategy game. Players of the decentralized real-time strategy game Dark Forest have introduced new and innovative ways of earning cryptocurrency within the virtual ecosystem. The play-to-earn plug-in broadcast market was integrated into the game on May 31st, according to the tweet by programmer Blaine. The developer noted that broadcast marketing is the first plug-in feature its own smart contracts that directly communicate to the Dark Forest. Thanks to interoperability, new game features in the decentralized games can be added by anyone, not just the original devs. This is literally not possible in traditional games. This got anyone excited? Is anyone playing this game? You know, this is overall great for the market, especially for those gamers out there. It's just an extra way to get cryptocurrency out there and, you know, more operable between interlocking different companies and between players and retail investors. On to the next one. Okay, Binance NFT Marketplace looks to compare market share via 100 creator campaigns. In an effort to attract users, Binance is casting a wide net to bring artists, celebrities, and athletes. In increasingly crowded marketplace for marketplaces, Binance is going on the offensive with a business development push aimed to bring 100 creators to the forthcoming NFT platform. In a press release today, Binance announced a drop from Misha Most, a noted street artist who currently holds the world record for the largest wall mural. Most will be making 10 NFT made in collaboration with other artists, and the pieces will be available for sale in the first week of the launch of the marketplace, currently scheduled for June 4th. Digital art is imbued with the spirit of the community. As a street artist, it's very close to me, and I'm used to working in a team with other creators. Most joins a host of other artists, celebrities, and other artists who have been courted by Binance, including soccer player Michael Owen and Albus Davis, singer-songwriter Lewis Capaldi, and artist Trevor Jones. Once again, Binance is taking to the NFT space. This space is absolutely exploding. We talk about it very often on the videos, guys, but obviously the NFT space is definitely the place to be. For more companies and exchanges are definitely getting involved. Once again, Binance, the big heavy hitter, bringing celebrities and athletes to the space to try and promote it and get people on their platform. On to the next one. How relevant is the 900 million open interest on the Bitcoin option above 100,000? Pro traders have been buying ultra bullish 100,000 to 200,000 Bitcoin options, but how confident are these targets will be achieved? Bitcoin is fast approaching its worst monthly performance in decades. but some investors are using this as an opportunity to buy ultra bullish long-term derivatives that are currently over 900 million in call buy options, aiming at 100,000 and higher. But what exactly are these investors seeking? Option instruments can be used for multiple strategies, which include hedging and also aiding those betting on specific outcomes. For example, a trader could be expecting a period of low volatility in the short term, but at the same time, some significant price association towards the end of 2021. Most novice traders fall to gasp that an investor might sell an ultra bullish call option for September to improve gains on a short-term strategy, therefore not expecting to carry it until further expiry. Chart above shows the net result of selling BTC 40,000 July 30 put, but the price remains above the threshold. The investor scores 0.89 BTC gain. Meanwhile, any outcome below 33,700 will yield a negative result. For example, at $30,000, the net loss is 0.4 BTC. The same trade will occur in the example below, but the investor will also sell 40 contracts of $140,000 call options for. The investor is letting go of gains from a patient price increase in exchange for high net profit and present levels. Take notice of how the same $40,000 outcome now results in a 0.464 BTC gain, and any price level above 26,850 yields a positive result. However, due to ultra bullish calls, the trade also net negative outcomes if Bitcoin trades above 68,170 on July 30th. Therefore, analyze those ultra bullish options separate doesn't always provide a clear picture of investor intentions. There are currently 24,625 BTC call options contracts for 100,000 or higher, equivalent to $910 million in open interest. Sure, it sounds like a lot, but the current market value of those ultra bullish options is 15.4 million. For example, a December 31 call option with 120 strike price is worth $1,500. What are your thoughts on this, guys? Are you being ultra bullish? Are you being ultra bearish? Have you got call options? Do you even know what a call option is? Do you want to know more about this, guys? This is definitely an area that I don't really get too much involved. I just stick with the buy and hold mentality. But look, other traders out there do look at putting longs and shorts in. You know, these are ultra longs for over 100K. Look, if you are bullish on the sector, which I am, you know, along at those prices, you know, I would sit comfortable and sleep well and truly at night. But hey, everyone is different and, you know, people might not think the same way. On to the next one. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. Please don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe if you like this content. It is absolutely free. Speaking of free, you want to get yourself some free Bitcoin, check out the pinned comments to CoinSpot and of course Coinbase. If you want to get yourself a free stock, check out the pinned comment to stake and we will spin the roulette wheel. See you next time.